My dear students, welcome back. I invite you for the chapter number 7. Title of the chapter or lesson is The Gardener. Once more. Chapter number 7. Title of the chapter is The Gardener. You know it better that the total story is hidden in the title itself. That means what? It is the story of a gardener. What is the difference between particular person and general all person? For example, chapter number 3 on children poem. This poem is about only one particular child or total universe children who are in this universe. That poem belongs to all children commonly, but this story doesn't belong common to all gardeners. It is the story of one particular gardener. It is the point what you must understand now. It is the story of a one particular gardener. Gardener means taking care of land, garden, small plantation, agricultural land. Gardener. What is his original name? Tamanna. What is the other name? Old man. There are 3 names to this one particular person. Next. This story is about a gardener. Means what is this story about? This is important. This story is about a gardener who is fighting with his enemy. What is the name of his enemy? His name is Basavaya or Sangoji. Follow my teaching. And once more, my dear very lovely students, my dearest students, after watching this video, read the textbook once, again watch this video, then you will be clear. We don't have much sufficient time indeed. It is why, my dear students, play this video, learn this session, read the textbook, again play this video, then surely I am confident that you can understand this chapter very well. Now, what are the characters? There are only 4 persons. One is Tamanna, old man, gardener, 3, same person. Basavaya, Sangoji, same person. Next, plantation owner, small land owner. There is no particular name to this person. The plantation owner and his wife. Only 4 persons. Plantation owner and his wife. This story is about the fighting, rivalry. We never should say that there is a fight. No. There is a rivalry. R-I-V-A-L-R-Y, rivalry. That means enmity. These 2 are rivals or enemies. Tamanna and Basavaya are enemies. Now, I will explain the introduction line. I have written 2 introduction lines. First, we must know this introduction. Later, I will explain the summary. For your kind information, already you have learned that the lesson is not a lesson at all. What is it called? Short story, translated story, play, essay, so many things are there. It is why this lesson, The Gardener, is a translated short story. From which language it is translated? From Totadavano, Totagara, Totadavano. It is why the title is The Gardener. Totadavano, translated from Kannada to English. Written by Lankesh, P. Lankesh. P. Lankesh is a Kannada writer or an English writer. Kannada writer, a great writer in Kannada literature. That means Gardener is a translated Kannada story, translated from Totadavano and Kannada to English. It is written in Kannada by P. Lankesh. Introduction to the writer in this. What is there? It presents this lesson or this translated story presents the strained relations, spoiled, bad relations of two rivals, Tamanna and Basavaya. Understand this line very carefully. Tamanna and Basavaya. It also provides insights into the strange and enigmatic. It also explains, it also describes into the strange, unknown and enigmatic, very peculiar, unknown, very peculiar human relations with all their complexity and variety. So many conflicts and contradictions, unknown story indeed. Now, you know it better that every lesson must be divided into 4 questions. I will say 4 questions now. I will say, that's all. I cannot, while explaining the story, I will say. What are those 4 questions means? Describe the old man when the speaker met him for the first time in the garden. First question. Second question. How did the owner's life change after the arrival of the old man? Second question. Third question. Describe the rivalry between Tamanna and Basavaya. That is very important. Question number 2, question number 3 are very important. Please, these 2 only carry the whole story. Okay, final question. How did Basavaya try to overcome his humiliation? That's all. How did Basavaya try to overcome his humiliation? Now, first story. Where did this story take place is not a matter. Where is this story being said, told? This is important. Where the action takes place, no question of knowing the place of action. We can know only the place of being told. Where the person is saying the story, that's all. We cannot say that time at all. But this story is, how it is running means, in the present tense, telling about the past story, flashback. Flashback is being told. Once more. In this present condition, this story is being said by Tamanna to the wife of the plantation owner. Once more. This story is being said by Tamanna to the wife of the plantation owner. Please catch. Every line is important to understand the concept of this short story, translated story, not short story. Okay. This story is being said or told in a coconut grove at Chennarayapatna. Very important. Tamanna told this story to the wife of the plantation owner in a coconut grove, group of trees in a small field, agricultural land. Tamanna told the wife of this plantation owner this story. This in a coconut grove at Chennarayapatna. This story has not taken place at Chennarayapatna. This story is said or told by this old man. This story is told by Tamanna to the wife of the owner's wife in a coconut grove at Chennarayapatna. It is the outline. Now, describe the. I will enter into the main story. There are 4 questions. Understand this one very well. Understand the introduction. Characters are written. I will explain this story by framing or setting 4 questions. First question. Describe the old man when the speaker met him for the first time in the garden. Now listen. Who is the narrator? Narrator is P. Lankesh? No. The narrator itself is the author. That is not. Don't write P. Lankesh. P. Lankesh is telling this story. No. What is this one? One day, the narrator was in a coconut grove at Chennarayapatna. He was standing in an agricultural land. Then, one old man came to this spot. Which spot? Coconut grove. Land, agricultural land. How does he look like? His eyes were suffused. That means he is full of knowledge. full of experience. Tall figure. He was so tall indeed. Hair gone grey. Hair has become white. Long beak like nose. How a bird has a long nose, that person, this old man, had a long beak indeed. Muscular arms like a laborer. He was very strong like a hard working worker. Overseer. Overseer means he can control the workers, laborers. And philosopher. He is full of knowledge of philosophy also. He had tucked one newspaper under his arm and he had walked for hundreds of miles. Now a meeting is going on between this old man. Who is this old man? Tamanna. Who is the gardener? Tamanna. Old man, gardener, Tamanna, all are same. It is why this old man, after walking hundreds of miles, now he was meeting the owner of the plantation. The owner of the plantation was not at all a rich person. He was looking for a hard-working laborer. This old man, at the same time, what kind of person he was in need of, the old man came and they were discussing. Who? No, the narrator was simply watching, that's all. There is no role of the narrator here. The role is the story being told by this old man, Tamanna, or the gardener to the wife. That is the main story. The story is important. Next, he is this one, and the owner of the plantation, and this old man had discussed some, they said some words. Old man agreed and he started to do work. He joined to the duty and he became a laborer and he started to work. This is the introduction meeting. Next, how did the owner's life change after the arrival of the old man? For your kind information, my dear students, I have written here only one question. There are 5 more questions to the same answer. It is why these all 4 are called only base questions. Remaining extra additional questions will be given in the book number 2. You cannot find these all additional twisted questions in your book 1. It appears only in book 2. Once you come to college, you will understand. See, how did the owner's life change after the arrival of the old man? It is the second question. Story runs in this order. I will read the words now. Both good and words happened. The old man came to the garden, stayed on, petty thefts avoided, income increased, his plantation expanded, owner's lifestyle changed. See, wealth and social prestige rose, became lethargy, and acquired many friends. Life crowded with colorful events, developed many vices, adultery. Now I will explain. So the old man started to work, and previously, when there was no person to take care of the land, some thieves were stealing this agricultural products, what fruits, vegetables, some grown crop, they were stealing. When this old man came to this land, and these thefts, small thefts came to stop. So these thieves could not steal. So gradually income increased. So land also expanded. In the beginning, this land, owner of this plantation, small agricultural land, only 10 acres of wetland. It increased beyond their imagination. The owner of this plantation had become rich indeed. Without working anything, he could get better income. His land had become big. His prestige also had spread into all areas. So he started to have so many friends. So many friends in that place, and so many friends in the nearby surrounding towns also. So he started to cultivate bad habits. And he started to have friendship with women. He started to do wrong, bad things indeed. It is why he became lethargic. Lethargic means what? Lazy fellow. And social, many friends also. Life crowded with colorfulness. He started to spend, his life was bindas indeed, very joy indeed. His wife was very much worried. She could not decide whether the arrival of the old man was good or bad. This is the problem. The wife could not decide whether his arrival, his working in the field was good or bad. Is there any woman ready to leave her husband? No woman will be ready to leave her husband. His character has been spoiled because of becoming rich indeed, because of the old man. It is why she was very sad indeed. And one day she was walking, but this old man, gardener, Tamanna, could understand this. This wife of the plantation owner was so much worried, and he brought a tender coconut, and he started to sit on the embankment. Embankment means on the edge of the wall. He was sitting. The owner of the wife of the owner, plantation owner, she drank tender coconut. And she was searching for the place. There was no place at all. And she also started to sit beside this old man. Then this old man or the gardener started to say one story. Amma, once upon a time, means some years ago, there was one person. His name is Tamanna. He was living in one place. He was very famous. He had some 10 to 20 acres of wetland, and he had so many friends. Whole place was respecting him. But he was a good person, but he has one enemy. Who is that enemy? Basavaya. Tamanna and Basavaya were friends or enemies? Enemies. Can we say enemies? No. What should we say? They were rivals. Rivals means enemies. So, Amma, Tamanna is the gardener or old man. He is telling his own story to the wife. She was not interested. Why? She was worried about her own life. She was so much worried about her husband. Then how could she listen to the story of this old man, Tamanna? Tamanna could understand. Amma, don't feel. I know your whole story. Your husband has changed himself so much indeed. I know. Please listen this story. Even though the wife was not interested, this wife did not wish to hurt that old man Tamanna. Tamanna started to tell his story to the wife. This second half will start. Third question is describe the rivalry, means enmity, fighting between Tamanna and Basavaya. Now second half story will start. First half is over. You stop this video. Again you go back, play this video, and again you further continue, my dear students. Okay. Now we are going to understand the question number 3. Bring out the rivalry between Tamanna and Basavaya. First, I will read the shortest answer phrases. Tamanna possessed more land than Basavaya, leads to tough competition between the two. Basavaya is jealous of Tamanna's wealth. Basavaya forcibly encroaches Tamanna's land. Tamanna starts composing ballads and composes songs on Basavaya's ill nature. Unable to compose a song, Basavaya starts acquiring more land to show his superiority. Became well known. Basavaya filled his house with material wealth, invited musicians and scholars to home, yet failed miserably. Strange nature of man to take revenge. These are the words I will explain. Again, I will switch over to that side now. In the beginning, petty competition, buying the land, 4 acres, 10 friends, 15 odd marriages, 1000 acres Tamanna, 800 acres Basavaya, 200 acres. Forcibly, Tamanna followers, 4 police, force him, not agreed, made a plan, visible to invisible. Tamanna composed ballads and singing them using all his experience. It is the answer to the third question. Now, second stage starts. Okay. So, we have come to understand that this old man had started work in the plantation of this owner, and he started to become a bad person. His wife was worried. One day in the evening, the old man or the gardener is telling her this story. Whose story? His story. About what? Fighting, rivalry, enmity between Tamanna, means old man, and the Basavaya. Very strange, unbelievable story. My dear students, now onwards, all chapters, poem or lesson, unbelievable, unimaginable, unexpectable. Everything is new. It is why focus on this video and teaching. Learn this one, play this video, read the textbook, again play this video. Your job will be over. Now, Tamanna is telling this story. Now, in the beginning, there was a healthy competition between Basavaya and Tamanna. Tamanna is a good man. Basavaya was a jealous person. He was jealous person. This what happened. If Tamanna bought 10 acres of 4 acres of land, Basavaya also would buy 4 acres of land. If Tamanna had 10 friends, Basavaya would have 15 admirers. Admirers means friends only. If Tamanna started to buy any new thing, Basavaya also would do or buy same land, same quantity of land, and in the same place itself. Place is unknown, story is known. Now, after Tamanna and Basavaya started to compete each other, they were competing with each other. One buys one thing means another person will buy surely the same thing. So, after this all areas land was purchased by either Tamanna or Basavaya. There was no land at all belongs to any other person. Whole surrounding lands belong to either Tamanna or Basavaya. So, Tamanna had bought totally his wealth, his total property had become 1000 acres. Basavaya's total land size had become 800 acres. So, who had more property, more land now? Tamanna. What is the difference? 200 acres. So, Basavaya could not tolerate. Why? This Tamanna had become richer than Basavaya. Means he had purchased. He is the owner of more lands comparing to Basavaya's land. It is why Basavaya sent one of his assistants to Tamanna. That assistant has asked Tamanna, "Oh Tamanna, you have 1000 acres of land. My master has 800 acres. You have 200 acres of land more. It is why, oh Tamanna, sell your 200 extra land to my master, Basavaya. Then Basavaya will pay you, oh Tamanna." This is said by who? Assistant of Basavaya. To who? Tamanna. Did Tamanna agree? No, he did not agree. Tamanna told Basavaya that, "Oh Basavaya, you sell your whole property, you sell your 800 acres of land, I will buy your whole property, I will not sell even 1 inch of land." Now tell me, Basavaya was happy? He was so raged, he was so furious, he was so angry indeed. Then what happened? Basavaya finally decided. He took some of his workers and followers, went to the land of Tamanna, and he forcibly, without the consent or this approval or notice of Tamanna, he forcibly, illegally acquired 200 acres of land. He built a fence around that land. He started to acquire, encroaching, acquire illegally, acquired the land of Tamanna. And then this Basavaya's land size is 1000 acres. Tamanna's land size is 800 acres. But Tamanna's followers were very angry. The Tamanna's followers were suggesting Tamanna, let us go to the court. We will get our land back. Or let us go to the police station and let us file a complaint. Or we followers, workers, all of us will go and attack Basavaya. We will take our 200 acres of land back only. Did Tamanna agree? No. He did not agree at all. Then what happened? Tamanna wanted to crush, insult, humiliate Basavaya. He did not make any plan that can be fought physically. Understand? Tamanna was not ready to fight physically. He wanted to fight this Basavaya mentally. That means what? Switching over from visible to invisible. That means what? Physical fighting is a waste thing. Let us fight intellectually. It is why this Tamanna made a plan. He started to compose ballads. Ballads means long poems. Long poem. He started to write poems and started to sing them using all his experience. In your whole answer, this line is very, very important. Tamanna started to compose ballads and singing them using all his experience. That means what? He wrote so many poems. And he started to sing in the surrounding places. What is there in that poem? Cruelty and meanness of Basavaya. That means what? How Basavaya cheated this Tamanna. How Basavaya had acquired illegally. But this Tamanna had written these bad qualities of Basavaya in those poems written by him. He started to sing. It had spread to all corners of the surrounding area. Then Basavaya, he had become famous. Who? Tamanna had become famous. Then Basavaya could not bear this one. Then what happened? He started to acquire or forcibly capturing, encroaching the land of Tamanna. He started to acquire or encroach the land of Tamanna more and more. Tamanna could not notice this one because he was writing and singing. He was out of this place. It is why Basavaya, there was nobody to control Basavaya. It is why he started to acquire or encroach the land of Tamanna. Then Basavaya was so much jealous indeed. Then what happened? Filigal. Basavaya wanted to sing. No. It had become a waste thing indeed. Then he started to do agricultural work so excellently. He started to become so rich indeed. Even though people could not notice him, they started to praise Tamanna. So many poets, so many writers started to respect Tamanna. They started to ignore Basavaya. It is why this fellow Basavaya could not compete with Tamanna. He became so upset and so shaken indeed. It is why it is a rivalry. Again, there are two more points and I will explain. First, we must understand this is the initial one. There was a healthy competition, and if anybody bought 4 acres means others also would buy. If anyone had 10 friends means other would get 15 admirers. Tamanna's land size is 1000 acres, 800 acres Basavaya, 200 acres difference. And they one day Basavaya's followers encroached the land of this Tamanna of 200 acres. Tamanna followers suggested him, let us go to the court or police or let us recapture the land. Forcibly, Tamanna did not agree. He started to make a land visible to invisible. Visible means can be seen. Invisible means cannot be seen. physical and intellectual or mentally. It is why Tamanna started to compose ballads and singing them using all this experience. It is the answer. This first half of the answer will continue now. So first half of the this answer is over. Now we will switch over to this one. How did Basavaya try to overcome his humiliation? Describe. Tamanna used Basavaya cruelty and meanness in his poetry. Basavaya shrank in humiliation. He started filling his life with all kinds of material wealth, built a mansion for himself, purchased gold, diamonds and precious stones. Even then his house looked empty. So he invited learned men to bring meaning to his poem. Now, Tamanna is singing the poems and songs, spreading the bad qualities of Basavaya. People started to respect Tamanna itself. They started to ignore Basavaya. Basavaya was so furious indeed. He was so angry. He tried all his plans. He could not become successful. Finally, what are the attempts made by Basavaya to defeat Tamanna? It is the question number 4. After saying this one only, we must say second half of this one. So, Tamanna had become so famous. Basavaya started to increase his property and wealth, but nobody could respect him. Then Tamanna started to build. He built a big mansion. Mansion means a building, a house, like a palace. He started to build a mansion, and he purchased gold, diamonds, precious stones. He bedecked his dress made of gold, diamonds, and he started to invite scholars, and he started to invite some people to praise him only. Basavaya ko jai, Basavaya ko jai. Then also nobody was caring for him. He too did not feel happy, and he built a big house, and the visitors were telling Basavaya that his house looked empty and dull. Why? Once more, the visitors to the house of Basavaya were telling Basavaya that his house was empty and dull. Why? Tamanna's books were not there. It is why he could not tolerate this one. If anybody came to his house, means after seeing this big palace-like house, they would say, "Ayo, there is no Tamanna's book here. It is why this house is not so excellent indeed." It is why he understood that he could not defeat Tamanna at any cost. It is the situation. It is the answer number 4. Now we must switch over to this story. That story 3/4 is over. Then what happened? One day, second half. One day Tamanna was ill, felt very happy, crushed. Then Basavaya, no compassion, died. Man needs wealth, education, art, but lives for some kind of helpfulness. Russia and America not enemies. Understand? So Basavaya could not defeat Tamanna. Tamanna had left his village. He was singing and spreading the bad qualities of Basavaya. Then one day Tamanna fell ill. He was not feeling well indeed. Who felt happy now? Basavaya felt very happy. He thought that this health is wealth. Tamanna's ill health is Basavaya's wealth. Once more. Tamanna's ill health means bad health is Basavaya's property. Tamanna could know that Basavaya was very happy about his illness. Then he wanted to give Basavaya the strongest punishment. He made a plan that is unbelievable indeed. Then one day Tamanna left his place. He spread the news that he had died. Simply he spread the fake news that he had died. This news was spread to all corners of that area. All believed that Tamanna died. Basavaya in the beginning felt very happy. But, my dear students, if a student is scoring 590 out of 600, if others are scoring only 300 out of 600, he would come down or others would go up. He would come down to this level. If 590 versus 580 scoring students are there, then there will be a fight. If there is no intelligent student in the classroom, means how can the students score or do better? It is why when Basavaya had disappeared, Basavaya left his all wealth, all property. He started to walk and he came to the place of this plantation owner. Now in this garden, he is working as a gardener. Once upon a time, the richest man in that area had become a laborer, worker in a small land's owner's hands. See, it is called fate. Now, so Basavaya, there was no competition. He felt that there is no reason at all to live in this world. If there is any competition, then only people will be active. Here what happens? Basavaya did not get any competition from anybody. After some days, he died. Why? There was no taste, there was no reason for Basavaya to live. Why? He was already rich. There was no enemy, no competition at all. It is why Basavaya died. Tamanna got this news that Basavaya died. So he stopped singing these all ballads, composing ballads, and he left and he came to this spot. Now he is working. He is telling his own story to this wife of the plantation owner. Now it is a message. Man needs wealth, money, education, intelligence, art means work. But mainly a man lives for some kind of vengefulness. Vengefulness, revenge. Vengefulness, because of 200 acres land difference, this whole story is created. See, because of Basavaya's jealous, this story is created. Then, was Basavaya happy? Was he alive? No. It is why man lives purely for some vengefulness. It is sure, according to this one. Then what happened? After some years, people will forget the name of the persons. He will lose his identity or he will become non-entity. Next. See, once what happened, this gardener is continuing this story. See, previously, how Tamanna and Basavaya were enemies, once upon a time, Russia and America were enemies. Both of them were competing in all fields, technology, spy knowledge, spy technology, or this spy, wealthy, intelligence, job creation, everything. Friends, Russia and America were enemies. Suddenly, Russia announced that Russia was not enemy to America. In the beginning, America felt very happy. Later, there was no competition to America on this entire planet. It is why suddenly its power started to decrease. Countries may survive. Countries may be existing without this no problem, but human beings cannot live without enemies, without competition, without jealous. It is why when Russia announced America, felt that it was boring indeed. No competition means no sharpness to brain indeed. If more intelligent students are there in the classroom, if heavy competition is there in the classroom, then it will become the brightest section. brightest students and brightest results. Then the old man is telling, Amma, you don't feel that I have told this story. You believe that this story not at all has taken place. You feel that. Who is telling? Old man is telling the wife of the plantation owner. You feel that it never took place indeed. Then he is saying, how long man lives for this vengefulness or revenge, he will be very active indeed. It is why finally he says, my friend Lokya's son is not feeling well. Amma, it has started the time of sunset indeed, evening time, sunset indeed. It is why I wanted to visit the house of my friend Lokya. Why his child is not doing well, he is bedridden. I wanted to go. It is why, Amma, you don't feel. Again he is saying, Amma, your husband has become a bad person. He will not care for anybody's words. He will not listen to anybody's. He does not heed. He means care for the words of others. It is why have some patience. That's all. This wife never said any word. That's all dialogues are said by Tamanna. Finally, he left that place. What is the end? We don't know. Again, the narrator is coming back. Who? Pilankush. In the beginning, he saw the owner of the plantation and the Tamanna old man were talking and he disappeared. Again, when this Tamanna left the wife of this plantation, he is entering. Now he is saying, oh human beings, oh readers, don't feel that this story has taken place. You feel that this happened in the dream itself. I don't wish to elaborate this story. I want to conclude this one here itself. He said, and he disappeared. It is the outline summary of this translated story, The Gardener. Now, my dear students, after stopping this one, go back, you read the textbook. You read the textbook and play the video again. Later, you can understand. Now, I will start explaining one more questions now. I will under what are the grammar contents. I will give you some more information on this chapter 7, The Gardener. Now, we can understand. Today, I will tell you how to analyze the story in the textbook. First question, listen. How did the lifestyle change after the arrival of the old man? How did the lifestyle of the owner change after the arrival of the old man? There is a pure answer in the textbook itself. Now, to textbook, page number 60, you see, textbook, page number 60, paragraph, he came to this garden one day. The old man came to this garden one day. From here to here, full paragraph. This paragraph full, getting out of hand. It is the question number 1, answer number 1. Read this paragraph very well. Very well. This whole paragraph is the answer to this question. Second question. Rivalry between Tamanna and Basavaya. Page number 61, 62. Page number 62. See, paragraph number 2. Let that be. Let that be from here. Paragraph 1, 2. Again, next page. Paragraph 2. He was facilitated as the best poet of his time. Until question number 2. Trace the rivalry between Tamanna and Basavaya. Page number 61, 2 paragraphs. Page number 62, first paragraph. Next one. How did Basavaya try to overcome his humiliation? Page number 62, second paragraph. Basavaya's son, full paragraph, home with the meaning. See. Question number 3. How did Basavaya try to overcome his humiliation? How did he try to avoid facing the insult from the hands of Tamanna? Paragraph number, this second one, page number 62. This is the method of understanding this one. Once more, your homework assignment is write the full summary in your notebook. Very sooner we are going to check whether you have completed your task, given task or not. It is why you must make or create 31 more questions. Next, it is very important. Next to important for linkers. Linkers grammar question may appear from this lesson. What I am saying, please understand. Linker questions may appear, will appear, must appear, should appear, could appear, never. May appear from this lesson. You circle the words, for example, page number 62, page number 62 or 61. 61. Page number 60. Page number 60 say first line after exact like him, a few, really, well versed and from, grammatically, perceptible. These all are called linkers. You don't worry about linkers. Once you come to college, I will explain each and everything. It is why, my dear students, read the textbook now and again play the video. Understand the summary, write the summary in your notebook, and linkers will be explained by me. Don't worry, I will explain once you come to the college, and you will understand that one. In my next session, I am going to explain the poem Heaven If You Are Not Here, a wonderful poem written in Kannada by our great Kannada master Kuvempu sir. I am going to explain that one in my next session. One thing you do, my dear students, there is a Kannada summary to that poem in the textbook itself. You read, you go to this poem, Heaven If You Are Not Here on Earth, you read the Kannada poem is given, you read Kannada version. I will explain that poem in my next session. I hope please read the textbook. How much time, how many times it is possible for you, read the textbook and get ready, and you read you understand the story completely, follow these all things and understand this one completely. Surely 10 marks are assured from this chapter. It is why it is the best thing to you to read the textbook often and often. Okay, I hope that you have understood this one. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you. God bless you.